Are you tired of that persistent tingling in your hands and feet? Struggling with the unbearable pain that nerve damage brings? What if we told you that the solution to your problem might be in your kitchen? Yes, you heard it right. If you're one of the millions battling nerve pain and nerve damage, today's video might just change your life. In this video, we're not talking about magic potions or expensive medications. We're focusing on natural healing power, the healing power hidden in simple everyday foods. You might be ignoring foods that can bring back the feeling in your hands, ease the pain in your feet, and overall give you back the life you used to enjoy. We have rounded up 10 miraculous foods that have been scientifically proven to help in nerve repair. So are you ready to discover the secret pantry ingredients that can bring a world of change to your nerve health? Let's dive in. Number 1. Leafy greens. Often celebrated for boosting our eyesight with their abundant vitamin A, these veggies have another hidden superpower you may not be aware of. Are you constantly tossing and turning at night, haunted by the discomfort of neuropathic pain? If so, you might want to pay extra attention to this leafy greens. Broccoli, asparagus and spinach are not just salad stars but also vitamin B powerhouses. This crucial nutrient does a double whammy. It boosts nerve regeneration and amps up nerve functions, and the nutritional prowess of these greens doesn't stop there. Spinach, broccoli and kale are brimming with alpha-lipoic acid, a wonder micronutrient that improves nerve functionality, plus it's a hero for those trying to keep their blood sugar levels in check. Don't just take our word for it. A 2017 study found that alpha-lipoic acid not only enhances nerve conduction but also shields nerves from oxidative damage. Number 2. Pumpkin seeds. Have you ever gazed upon a pumpkin seed and considered the potent nutritional punch it's packing? If not, it's time to shine a spotlight on these unassuming powerhouses crucial to nerve conduction and function. Potassium and magnesium are your nerve's best friends, and guess what? Pumpkin seeds are brimming with these vital elements. It's simple. Infusing your daily diet with a healthy sprinkling of pumpkin seeds could become your secret weapon for nerve health. Picture this: these mighty micronutrients infiltrating your system, calming those overexcited damaged nerves and fortifying them from within. Number 3. Ginger. Let's journey to the heart of your kitchen and rediscover a hero hiding in plain sight. Ginger. This vibrant spice isn't just a zesty kick in your favorite dishes. It's also a treasure trove of healing properties that can soothe and restore your nerves. Ginger's anti- and inflammatory prowess can work wonders in easing the pain that comes hand in hand with damaged nerves. But that's not all. This fiery root is also loaded with a compound known as gingerol. It's like ginger's secret superhero, alter ego known for its exceptional healing abilities. Freshly grated in a warming soup, finely sliced in a refreshing salad, or steeped into a comforting cup of tea, adding a little ginger to your everyday diet can be as easy as pie. Number 4. Turmeric. Ready for a culinary adventure filled with vibrant color and tantalizing aroma? We're talking about turmeric, that golden-hued spice that's been a cornerstone of our kitchens and traditional remedies for centuries. Its medicinal magic doesn't just stop at chasing colds away or soothing minor cuts. It also holds the key to a remarkable healing power: nerve repair. At the heart of turmeric's power is curcumin, an antioxidant-rich compound renowned for its anti-inflammatory and analgesic properties. It's this magical component that enables turmeric to act as a soothing balm for damaged nerves. Just a few weeks with this wonder spice and you'll likely witness a delightful transformation. Number 5. Walnuts. Have you ever looked at a walnut and marveled at how it resembles a tiny brain? This is one case where looks do align with function, as these crunchy gems are indeed brain food. Walnuts are celebrated across the globe not only for their delightful crunch but for their nutrient-dense profile, particularly their rich store of omega-3 fatty acids. Added to this, walnuts is an impressive stash of antioxidants which wage war against inflammation, and you've got a potent ally against nerve damage. Longing for relief from that persistent numbness or prickling sensation caused by nerve damage? It might be time to invite walnuts to your dietary party. Just a handful, or about 3 ounces of walnuts every day, could make a significant difference. In just 2 weeks you might start noticing a comforting change. Number 6. Quinoa. Are you ready to meet a humble grain that's been taking the health world by storm? Meet quinoa, a pseudo-cereal that's been capturing hearts and enriching diets with its impressive health benefits. But there's more to quinoa than just being a trendy superfood. It could be the friend your nerves have been longing for. Quinoa is brimming with potassium. Potassium is the grand conductor of your body's symphony, orchestrating the conduction of messages through your nerves to keep your nerves singing the right tune. Maintaining a harmonious level of potassium is crucial, and that's where quinoa steps. Not all grains are created equal, especially if you're dealing with damaged nerves. Some whole grains may strike a sour note, but quinoa is a nutritious encore, offering a medley of benefits without the harmful side effects. Number 7. Water. Let's talk about the most basic yet powerful ally in our quest for health: water. Often overlooked, this clear, flavorless fluid is literally life in a glass. It's the magical potion that keeps us ticking, playing a crucial role in our well-being. When your body is happily hydrated, it stands a better chance against the likes of muscle spasms and neuropathic pain. Picture water as the highway for nutrients in your body, ferrying essential healing elements to your damaged nerves. It's like your body's own delivery service, making sure every cell gets what it needs. So if your water intake is in a drought, your nerve healing process might hit a rough patch. Remember, your mission, should you choose to accept, is to drink at least 8 glasses of water every day, a simple act yet so vital. Consider it your personal hydration pledge, stick to it, and witness how this everyday liquid works its healing magic on your nerves. Now, it's your turn to join the conversation. We want to know what food resonated with you the most. Do you have a secret nerve-healing recipe you swear by, or maybe a food from our list you can't wait to try? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this video valuable, show some love by hitting that like button. Your feedback helps us bring more such informational content your way.